So you may also want to go ahead and change out your account password. In that case, you can simply go around over here onto your profile, then go around onto the settings. And then what you can do is you can go around onto account right here and change out the password. So you can see that this is what you have, simply expand it. And then what you can do is enter out your current password right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and enter out the current password. And then you can also go ahead and then utilize a strong password right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So let's just go ahead right here. You can confirm out the password and then update out your password right here, just like this. So I'm using an auto-generated password, as you can see, but you can add in your own as well. And this is simply how you can see that you can go ahead and then change out your password for security inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.